Hey guys, I wanted to answer the question, are bookkeeping businesses profitable? Okay, someone asked me this recently because they were thinking about starting their business, but they really did not know whether or not it was profitable or whether or not it was worth their time. And I'm here to say, it's one of the best business models to start, especially if it's your first business or even if it's your second business, right? And maybe your first business, for example, like me, like a lot of years ago, I was into e-commerce, right? And I was trying to have this online website, and I was going to run ads to it, and I was trying to get people to buy the products and services, and it was so expensive. So yeah, I'd be making or selling like $14,000 a month, which sounds really cool on paper, but at the end of the day, I was actually losing $2,000 in my bank account because the expenses were so high and there was a lot of hidden costs that I just didn't really know how to handle. And when I started my bookkeeping business and I actually started making it be successful, it was the exact opposite. It was almost like the profit margins were just ridiculous, right? And we'll talk about how to expand those profit margins in a minute. But if you want some help growing your accounting or bookkeeping business, and you want to avoid all the mistakes that cause most people to struggle, go ahead and click on the link below to schedule a time to see if I can help you go and grow your business. The next thing that's going to allow you to be able to make your business more profitable is one, what is your spread? So what I mean by a spread is when you're first getting started, depending on how many clients you get and the type of clients as well as the type of work, your time is going to be utilized very, very differently. For example, what I found comfortably when I work with my students and tell them how to price their work, they're able to get up to about 12 grand a month pretty comfortably while still working, their old job. Right after about 12 grand a month, they start wanting to either leave their job and they have a lot more time and they don't really think about money anymore, or they start really thinking about, are they going to try and expand to 25 grand a month, 30 grand a month, and what that really looks like. Now, if you're at that phase when you're starting to think about, hey, I'm either running out of time or I'm just trying to go to the next level, the next thing you have to think about is, what is your spread? Okay, now when I'm talking about spread, I'm talking about what is the difference between how much you are charging the client versus what are you paying to your subcontractor. Now, a way that we like to expand our time and be able to grow our business without directly increasing the amount of hours that we're working is we like to subcontract out the work or bring on a local either bookkeeper or local accountant to do some of the work that we no longer wish to do, or the stuff that takes 99% of our time. Now, when you do that, pricing is very, very, very important. So our goal is always to be able to go and charge at least $50 per hour. Okay? Some students are more. We have some students charging $125 every single hour that they work on the potential client's books. Now, the reason why we're trying to get above 50 is because if you multiply 50 by 2080, it gets to be about $104,000. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Once again, if you want some help growing your business from someone who's been there, if you want to go and be able to reach your goal without having to make all the mistakes that I made or even some of my oldest students made when they were first getting started, go ahead and click on the link below to book a call with me to see exactly if and how I can help you out. I'd love to see you on the call. Love to talk to you soon. Have a great day.